Alright, so the next part of part 2 of activity 7, we need to create a zigzag curve using the pen tool and using the handles. So we have our image set up. Now you need to go over to your pen tool and we will start from the top. Click one to set a point, click another one, hold your mouse button down and move the handles, drag around and bend and bend and bend, and you're going to keep on doing this until you bend the zigzag completely around your subject, and then double click to finish. And now we have a nice zigzag twirly kind of path. And then the next step will be putting in your text information. The best media student in the world, and align your text at the top of the path. Go to your layers, select both path and text, go to text and attach to path. Now what you may want to do here is add more text to go completely around. If you want to copy and paste the previous text, feel free, so that it goes completely around your subject. Alright, in step 4, I've asked you to align the text and then go to text and orientation skew vertically. Let's go up to text, orientation, skew vertically, and what should happen is your text should start to skew around the path. Next step, you will need to copy your bitmap layer, duplicate it or copy it. You'll have a little prompt, and what I want to do is before current layer, and then I'm just going to drag this layer above. I don't need that one there. So we have 2 layers and we have our text. So what should happen is when you're looking at the image, it looks like it's just the text is just behind your subject matter. What we need to do now is go over to our eraser tool. Notice how big the eraser is right now. It's not very large, so I'm going to go down to properties and resize it. I'm going to try around 8. It's still too small. Let's try 12. That's pretty good. And let's start at the top. So we want the text to start behind your subject, and then right here, again, what you want to do is make sure that your layer is on the top layer. And now I'm going to start to erase the top instance of your subject. So it looks like the text is going above your subject. Follow your path, and then I'm going to erase right here. Follow your path. I'm going to erase right there. And then follow your path, and then across. Now all you need to do is save your work. So we're going to go File, Save As. This is going to go into your Activity 7 folder, and it will be called first name, last name, underscore Activity 7, Part 2. Save. This saves your work file with all your layers. Go back up to File, Export Wizard. Go through the process again of exporting the image for web as a 24-bit ping. Export. And then I'm just going to put the word web at the end here again and save. And please create or add these 2 images to the subpage that you created for Activity 7. Goodbye.